Today, I'm going to take you step by step through creating and using customized quote templates in HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design a quote that looks exactly the way you want, showcasing your brand's personality and professionalism, making sales negotiations simpler and much more impressive for your clients. All right, let's jump straight in. First, you'll want to head to your HubSpot dashboard. Look to the top navigation bar. There, you'll see a small gear icon, which is your settings. Click that. This settings area is kind of like your toolbox, packed with all the controls you need behind the scenes. Next, in the left sidebar menu, scroll down and find where it says Objects, and then select Quotes. This is where HubSpot keeps all things related to generating and managing quotes. Navigating here is like walking into the quote workshop. Everything you need is perfectly organized. Within the Quotes section, you'll see a tab labeled Customize Quote Templates. Go ahead and click that. This tab is the key to unlocking your ability to design and fine-tune how your quotes look, whether you want a classic, clean design or something a little more bold and branded. Now, you can either click Customize Quote Template to start from scratch, or you can pick one of HubSpot's existing templates as your base. If you're new to customizing quotes, starting from an existing template can save you some time and give you a helpful jumping-off point. Think of it like choosing a customizable starting layout before adding your own special touches. Once you've selected your template, look up to the top of the template preview and click the pencil icon to name your template. Don't skip this step. A clear, descriptive name saves time when you have several templates, and it helps your team easily identify the right one later on. For example, you might call it Summer Promotion Quote or Enterprise Services 2024. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your template. Within the template preview, you'll see different modules, things like cover letter, executive summary, terms, and more. Click directly on any of these modules to start editing. For instance, if you want to add a more personal introduction, click the cover letter module and tweak it in the left panel. Maybe add a tailored greeting, or clarify what makes your offering unique for this particular client or situation. Each module can be adjusted for content and style, so take your time. In the left panel, you'll find all the tools to rewrite text, change formatting, or add specific highlights. If you work with contracts often, use the Terms module to spell out any important legal notes. If your proposals are highly visual, you might want to add brand imagery or key stats in your executive summary. When it comes to the line items table, that's where all the products, services, prices, and totals are laid out. You can make it your own by clicking the module and using the drag and drop properties. You can rearrange columns, hide subtotals, fees, or totals depending on what makes sense for your negotiation style. Maybe you want a simple cost breakdown for a regular client, or a detailed list with taxes and shipping for new partners. You've got full control here. Don't worry if you need to experiment a bit to get the table exactly as you want. It's worth it for clarity and professionalism. Once you're happy with all your changes, make sure to hit Save. Take a moment to double-check everything looks right. Sometimes the smallest typo can make a big difference, and you want your template to be error-free and ready for action. Finally, to actually use your shiny new template, just click on the template you saved and then click Use Template, and you're good to go. This will apply your customized format to your next quote, making everything polished and personalized right out of the gate. And that's it. You've just created and customized your own quote template in HubSpot. Remember, the more effort you put into tailoring your quotes, the more confident and consistent your communications with clients will be. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, and if you've got any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow HubSpot tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.